Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to easily set up a video as a wallpaper on your PC or laptop. So I'll be using a free tool called Lively Wallpaper, and here's how to get started. First, you need to go ahead and search for Store or Microsoft Store on your computer or your laptop. Now use the search bar in the top and search for Lively Wallpaper. You'll get several different options. Go ahead and select this specific one, then select Install button. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to download on your device. And once it is installed, click on Open to launch it. Expand the window, and you'll see several default options. Click on any one that you like to set it as your wallpaper. Click on any one wallpaper that you want to set. Click on the three dots. Click on Set as Wallpaper, or you can also double tap on it or select it. Now go to your window. Now go to your desktop, or you can also go to the Lively Wallpaper. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here you can choose a file and then drag and drop a file in this box. Navigate to the video you want to use, and it may take a moment to load. Give your wallpaper a title, and you can also add a description, author, and a website. Then click on OK, and your video will now appear in the library. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.